All right, hello Diego. So for this video lesson, we're going to take a look back at lesson 37 and 38. And right here, this is the Theocracy I Am. But before that, let's get a small warm-up. We can start with the 955 right here. Just get that small warm up. The next one, right hand, right foot. Left hand. Next thing, 2 hands, 2 feet. Four hands, 2 feet. All right, next thing we got. Let's see here. We can take a look back at this Lamb of God right here. So all that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I go right, left, right, right, right. And then it'll change up, but just make sure you get that first part, the three kicks, 2 kicks. And the 2 kicks is just slow right, right. So it goes the 16th notes to the 8th notes. You can try to do that left, right, left. And then with the hands, the hi-hat, we got the hi-hat's just going at the first of every, so the first beat of the 3 kicks and the first beat of the 2 kicks. So and the snare is the first beat of every other triplet on the feet. So you start off. You see that every other triplet. After the first one, it's the snare on the first beat of the. And then the hi-hat's just constantly going. We can get the first part of this one right here. Just the first measure we'll get. So if you remember, snare flam, 2 kicks, kind of like a flam kick. So it's flam, snare, kick, low, high, and then kick, kick, low, high again. Flam at the very end. So at the start and the end of that measure, flam on the snare. So just make sure you get that, because then it starts shortening that up, and then it'll go. So it'll do the ending of that first measure, pretty much cutting that measure in half at the right there. So low, high, kick, kick, slam. That's the beginning 3 times, and then there's just a lot of until the very end. we get the crash. Okay, next thing we'll get this part right here, 312, Theocracy I Am. If you remember, it's just a constant kick, and you go crash, and then straight to the hi-hat, bum, bum, bum. And it's kind of like the same triplet as Omerta from Lamb of God. At the very end, 1, 2, kick with the crash, snare, kick with the crash, snare, kick with the crash. And just that pattern is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, boo doo doo. And that just keeps going on. So just get that one down, listen to the song with that one, and then right here we'll get this section, plus the next measure we'll get. Up until here. So remember, it's the constant kicks. One, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, high, middle, low. Kick, and then kick with the crashes. So it's slam, 1, 2, slam, crash, crash, slam, crash, crash, 3 times. A couple kicks after, and then 4, 4, 4, kick, kick with the crash. So. One more time with that one. There we go. And then after that, we get the build up, which is the low and middle tom with the kick. So right there, that beat, it starts with the kick with the crash. So it's hi-hat after you go from the crash, kick with the crash, and then hi-hat by itself, kick, kick, snare with the hi-hat. And then after the snare with the hi-hat, then a lone hi-hat, kick, and then kick with the hi-hat, and we're up to here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's that part. And then we can also do at the very end, we'll do the 3 snare. So set it at probably 70 BPM, just a nice controlled high power. And in 16th notes. Do that for a little bit, and then lower the power to like the medium power, like about right here. Go a little bit faster, like 10 to 15, maybe even 20 BPM faster. Remember, just watch your left wrist to make sure it's the same power and distance as the right wrist and the right stick and left stick. Now we go low power, faster, probably the same 10 to 20 BPM faster. Try and get really close. And maybe even a gravity blast. Maybe 2. So there's that one. So hopefully you're here next week. So then or not next week because that's Thanksgiving break. The following week. Because then we'll continue on becoming the archetype and try to get to the end of that song. All right. So have fun practicing those and hopefully see you next week.